Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet necklace designs. Different color, different design combination also in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. So, dear friends, this is very beautiful and attractive for those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. Crochet is always beautiful and always trendy, expensive also. So, dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet necklace designs and other like crochet necklace designs, also crochet bracelet designs, finger ring designs, crochet feet jewelry like crochet anklet designs, earring designs, and other crochet material like crochet women long dresses, short dresses, fingerless gloves, long gloves, bodycon dresses, skirts, blouse, and jacket designs, circular jacket designs, crochet outfits also, crochet trouser designs, so crochet footwear collection, crochet sandal designs, crochet boot designs, baby sandal designs, baby frock designs, baby cap designs, pincher designs, cap cap shawl, circular jacket designs, and other material. You can visit also my channel. You can wear this amazing collection with match your dresses, match your tops also. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers then.